going to share with you 5 different claims that you can allege in a summons and complaint or as part of a statement of claim against your business partner when your business partner is doing something improper, such as stealing from the company or doing something similar in vain. Number 1, you can allege a claim for breach of a contract. Now, hopefully you have a written operating agreement or shareholder agreement that's going to outline things like the rights, responsibilities, each partner of the business, and therefore you can allege that they've breached that agreement. Even if you don't, verbal agreements are enforceable in New York. Number 2, as a business partner, each partner owes the other a fiduciary duty, which is a heightened level and standard of care that one has to provide to the other. If you feel that they've been doing something wrong, then it's likely they've breached a fiduciary obligation that they owe to you. So you can allege a breach of a fiduciary obligation. Number 3, you can allege a claim for fraud. Now, a fraud requires that you're showing that it's an intentional misrepresentation of material fact that was relied upon by you to your detriment, and that reliance needed to be reasonable, and as a result, you've now suffered damages. A little trickier, a little more in depth, and it does require that you plead these claims with specificity when you're alleging fraud, meaning that you need to provide the time and the manner in which alleged fraudulent misrepresentations were made, but nevertheless a very doable cause of action. Number 4, a claim for unjust enrichment. Now, normally this is something that alludes to a quasi-contract, meaning it's something that you allege when you don't have a solidified agreement. However, often you will see a breach of contract claim brought, and at the same time, the parties can also bring along a claim for unjust enrichment. And when you allege a claim for unjust enrichment, you're pretty much saying that I did something, or we were supposed to do something together. You've now taken the benefit of the bargain. I haven't gotten it, and now you've been enriched at my expense. So number 4, that's that unjust enrichment claim. And number 5, often, especially if your business partner is doing something where they're taking business that belongs to your company, but by stealing from you, they're actually now taking the assets or taking the client list or basically repeating your business elsewhere and then benefiting financially, that's a usurpation of a corporate opportunity. So it's an opportunity that belongs to your company with your business partner that they've taken, and on the side, they're doing something differently and profiting.